Hey Jody Marketplace Boutique. I had way too much fun at Hobby Lobby today. 90% off one of it. If you have a Hobby Lobby near you, I would totally go shopping. It was really fun. A lot of 75% off. All the spring stuff was on sale. This is a perfect time to go get some goodies and let's do some decorating. Ooh. Hobby Lobby. Oh, my shoe! I don't know if there's any anywhere else. I like this. Where is it on sale? Oh no, I don't think so either. Oh, look at that pickup this little cute cheat sheet. That's cute. I have a vision. Nothing's on sale though. So. Yes, thank you. Wow, sales top. This is kind of cute. What is it anyway? Oh, it's like a potting. Look at all their fairy stuff. And the dollhouse stuff would probably be good in a fairy garden too. I think I need some greenery, like some moss or something. Those are really cute. Look at this little church. That's not bad. I need some fairies in my fairy garden. Is there any like good deals going on? What's this? This is like a pack of fairies. What's the price? There's like 2 fairies in there. This is $20. Oh, this is cute. This is really cute. The problem isn't really cheap. Like a 2-pack. You can get a 2-pack for $6. Like you get a 2-pack somewhere. Like buy one get one free. We got some mermaids.
$6?
This one's kind of cute. She's okay. You can get a little dog house for the dog. There's some little brochures. Okay, thanks for coffee, honey. I appreciate that. Here's some moss. Okay, so here's Spanish moss. Okay, so I'm thinking like some green stuff. Ooh, is this stuff on sale? No. There's a lot of moss. Okay. That I can get out in my own yard. What is this? A giant moss? A giant moss. How much is this one? $20. Oh, this is $7. That's better. $7. How much is this one? $8. We'll put the $7 one. That's good. Okay. Look at all the pumpkin stuff. 40% off. Look at that. Oh, this is exciting. We found this in the back aisle, like where nobody goes. What have we got in here? We have that. We can put that in the fairy garden. Yeah. I don't really like the orangeness of this. It's kind of a weird orange. See how that's... Why is that such a weird orange? Okay, I don't like that one. Alright. That stuff. You see anything for a fairy garden?
Yeah.
This is $9.99. That's cute. This is cute. Oh, they got like little air covers. I think I might have bought something like this last time. Oh, that's cool. Oh, I like this thing. Does it move? Oh, this is kind of cool. Okay, I shopped down these aisles a lot. I probably have almost everything on this wall. Oh, these are cute. Look at all that stuff. Oh, they have heads. Okay, so here's like the doll section. Okay, do they have like fairy type things? Oh, that's really cute. Look at this one. That's cute. That's cute. Anything that would look good on a fairy situation. Look at all the doll stuff. Okay, so here's some more little fairy things. Okay, these are cute. What's this one? These are cute dogs. Got birds. Okay, I gotta get the birds. Okay. I have those teddy bears. Here, but there's stuff. It's a girl. Oh god. Die. Oh, those are kind of cute. Those are cute. Oh, actually, I know what I'm gonna do with this. Wait, I put this in the cart. I need this.
Sure that one's put together right?
So,
Damaged.
can I like put stuff on here? Or this one. Which one?
I mean, you can put a push button there.
Can I? Okay. Which one would be better for push pins? This one or this one?
Probably the same.
Which one? $25. Oh, oh, I just ran into that stupid thing. I just ran into that ladder like I thought. All this art is $1, John. It's 75. This is what this aisle looks like. Find your own biscuits and gravy. Oh, this is cool. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my word. I remember seeing that. That is cool. Look at this. I bought one similar already. Okay, 75% off. A bath thing. Ooh, I like the laundry service one. Welcome to our porch. Laundry washer. 75 off. All of this stuff. $4.90. Look at that. Biscuits and gravy. Ooh, actually. So this is 75 off?
Yeah.
Wait, didn't I buy two of those? Oh no, for upstairs. For upstairs. That's what I was looking for. Because I need like two. I need two of them. I need two. I already have a spot. That's why I came here. Could you please move that? I can't get through. I've got a wide load. Oh. That's $200. What?
That makes me
$200. Look. 200. Right? Even 75% off. What would it be? $50 for that. Okay, I'm just too cheap. I'm way too cheap. No. This is cute. See it. Oh, there's a hummingbird thing. See that? Oh, there's a bunny. All this kind of stuff. What? This is cute. Look how much this is. So 24 would be what? 6-ish? I'm guessing. Yeah, I was right. What's this? got Christmas. I think I paid like $50, $60 or something. Alright, what else we got here? Cute little things. What? Yeah, that's why I get mine different ways. You should be glad that I'm not like a regular woman who buys. Yeah, I'll totally do that. I'm okay with that. Ooh, look at this cute one. Look at these. It's broken. There's no prices. I don't want a broken one. I want these. But I don't know how much these are. But we'll find out. Okay, fairy garden. It's getting there. What's here? These are 12. What would be like $6? I don't like. Look at these little corns. Oh my gosh! Look at the corns. Aren't you glad that I'm such a good shopper? What's this? That'd be cute in the fairies. Fairyland. Oh, that's a good idea. Are these on sale? No sale. No go. I don't want to pay full price. How much are these though? They're like little ballerinas. Those aren't fairies. If you see fairies, is this a corgi? No. Or like little dogs. Everybody needs a dog and a cat. That kind. Little foxy, yeah. Christmas. Okay, I would never pay that. I would never. How much is this, John? Yeah, but what's the price? 20? Yeah. That is, I mean, I guess maybe, but. Okay, so maybe I can find stuff for my fairy gardens here. Because it's small and it's cheaper. No, we can do that. We can do that. Let's do these again. That lady has been watching me this whole time. She's had her eye on me this whole time. I think I should put this in there instead of those. No. They have like the best trees. Aren't they cute? These are. Okay, so what would that be? Good darling. Somebody's annoyed. These are like little. I found some little gnomes. See any fairies in this area? Okay, here is my loot that I bought, and I went to Big Lots and just got a couple little things there. And these are my things. So that's what I bought. I hope all of you enjoyed that little shopping experience. Have a really good day. Bye.